Hi, this is Michael from Material. Electrum is a software wallet that allows you to replicate your physical wallet on your computer by importing the private keys. It serves as a bridge to make transfers to other addresses. From your computer, you can send Bitcoin to wherever you want. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. Disconnect your device from the internet. Create a new wallet. Choose the option to create a new wallet by importing a Bitcoin address or by importing the private key. Type down the full private key of your wallet. Create a strong password for the wallet. Turn on the internet. Click on Send and copy and paste the receiver's address or scan the QR code. Do not type down directly the address. If you make a typo, you may lose all your funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoins you want to send. Once your transfer or payment is done, remember to delete your Electrum wallet.